In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to apply a Dreaming Tree gift card. So I've gone ahead and added my product to my shopping cart. And you'll see over on the right hand side here, you'll see a space for gift card, and there is a drop down arrow. So you can see that here. If you were using a mobile device, that information is right below your shopping cart. So you will have those same options just below. So I'm going to go ahead and enter my gift card number. And I'm going to click Add Gift Card. And you're going to see my subtotal was $10.27. There's no shipping. I entered my entire gift card, which was $10.27. It tells me that I have $4.73 remaining on my gift card, and my total is now 0. So now we can go ahead and proceed to checkout. Even though the order has a $0 total, you will have to click on your billing address. So pick your billing address and then go ahead and confirm your order.
Hey, thanks for crafting along with me. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, check out some of our other videos, and also please consider hitting that subscribe button. And don't forget to visit our site and check out our free SVG section, where we have over 140 free SVG files complete with assembly videos. I look forward to crafting with you soon.